built minaret here. So that is the waterfall picture. Waterfall which is situated around 10 kilometers from Antalya City. So that is the description. So let's go and see what's up inside. So it says şelalesi, Magara. So the thing is the cave. Is that where restaurant?
Look at the parrot.
Oh, they're doing gözleme here. Oh, we are approaching the waterfall. And that is the waterfall. Beautiful. But I want to be down there. This view is magnificent. Oh, we can go into the cave as well behind it. It goes down the stream. This goes all the way to the coastline, and that is another Duden lower waterfall, and this is the upper. So this is all the surrounding areas. There is a little one over there as well. I'll come back to that one. And so this is like a park around it. You can sit and chill. So there is a kind of sitting area or something. From here you can see the stream, quite beautiful, and there is walkways you can go walk, sitting areas there. So let's go down. Oh, here feels cool in here. Kind of cave-like places. Quite interesting. The art of nature. Oh, the cave is Kabila or something is that way. So coming down the stairs and going through here. There's the stream. Brother, how much is it?
70 lira.
How much?
70.
70 for one. So this is the view of the lower point of Duden Waterfall. It's quite magnificent. And let's go get closer. I want to go and sit and over there. go. And I'm crouching. Oh, there is stairs from there as well. I am at the end of Duden Waterfall cave. It is a side cave, something like this, and it's very noisy and water is dripping. It's the natural beauty. There we go. Some parts, and we are going. It is dripping here. This is the cave. This is a magnificent view of Duden Waterfall from inside the cave. Here. This is the cave. This is the stream that goes down there. Düden stream. It goes here. We came from Duden Waterfall and I was hungry, so came to this nice little restaurant here. Şelalesi. Şelalesi means waterfall. Şelalesi restaurant is a family-run restaurant, and we ordered some kebab and çorba. They are saying çorba. Oh, teşekkür ederim. Oh, wonderful. So çorba came. So this is çorba. Let's taste it and see how it is. As usual, cup of Turkish tea and this nice looking delicious salad in here. Let's taste. First, çorba. This is çorba. Oh, it smells so good. It's good, but needs a bit of salt.
Limon ister misin? Limon.
Yes, please. How do you say yes, please, in Turkish? It is kind of lentils and stuff in here. I don't know. There is this lentil, maybe chickpeas and stuff. Teşekkür ederim. So the soup is quite tasty. Teşekkürler. And this is the kebab bread. You just slowly take the bread off, and that's it. I like the soup with saying çorba. And let's dig into this. Oh, this is jigar. Jigar is nice.
It tastes like chicken for some reason. It's called
Numb. That's puffy rice.
Bunlar acı. Acı.
Chili.
Chili,
Acı.
spicy.
Spicy.
Acı ya.
Chicken wings. Chicken wing is good.
How's the Düden?
Good. A spoon of this puffy rice. So the food is good. We are hungry, and we will dig in this one. I'll come back. Food finished in the Şelale waterfall, and this is a nice looking restaurant here. It's a family run. If you visit the Duden Waterfall, and it's just there, Duden Waterfall, you can come visit them. Çok Hanadan. Do you like video? Yeah, I will show you to other people. So this was Duden Waterfall, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification button not to miss any video. So that is Duden Waterfall. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.